Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox badges. To begin, understand that badges are virtual awards given for completing specific in-game achievements. They are a fun way to track your progress and show off your dedication within various experiences. You can view your collected badges on your Roblox profile, and many games feature dozens, sometimes even hundreds, of unique badges to discover and earn. Let's dive into how you can start collecting them today. To find out how to earn specific badges, first check the game's description page on Roblox. It often lists available badges and their requirements. Many developers also include in-game hints, a dedicated badge menu, or even a quest log to guide you. For more detailed information, explore online communities and wikis. These resources frequently provide comprehensive guides, outlining every badge and the exact steps needed to unlock them, making your search much easier. When actively pursuing badges, it's often best to focus on earning one badge at a time to maintain clarity and maximize your progress. Some achievements require collaboration, so consider teaming up with friends for tasks that involve teamwork or multiple players. Don't forget to practice specific in-game skills, explore every corner of the map, and interact with various objects. Many secret badges are hidden in plain sight, waiting for a curious player to discover them. Collecting badges adds a fantastic layer of challenge and replayability to your favorite Roblox experiences, giving you more reasons to explore. Once earned, your collected badges are proudly displayed on your personal Roblox profile for everyone to see. Earning particularly rare or difficult badges can truly demonstrate your dedication, skill, and mastery within a game to other players. Enjoy the satisfaction of building an impressive collection of these virtual trophies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.